Generate your privacy policy and terms and conditions pages for your website completely for free. You don't need to hire a lawyer or spend any money for that matter, because we are going to use a website which allows us to do it completely free of charge. Enjoy! You need to search for the website hsupertools.io, h-supertools.io, and press enter. Now scroll down until you find privacy policy tools. Here are website management tools, website tracking, proxy, domains tools, password manager, meta tags, and here it is, privacy policy generator tools. Here is privacy policy generator and here is terms and conditions generator. First we are going to create privacy policy page. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now it's going to ask us for our company name, website name, and website URL. If you don't have a company name registered, just enter your website name. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use example privacy policy. For the website name also. And for the website URL, just random blah 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 blah.com. If you already have your company name and business name registered and domain name, just use your own. I'm just using random names for the sake of this video. Now click on the next step. He is going to ask you for additional information. Do you show advertising through Google AdSense on your website? Yes, no, no. Do you show advertising from third parties? No. Do you use cookies on your website? Yes. Then click on generate. And here we have our privacy policy generated. Do not worry about this code at the start and at the end of each paragraph. We are going to use a short code using Elementor, so it's not going to show. We are not even going to need to delete it. So just copy it to your clipboard. Okay. Now come back to your website WordPress dashboard. On the left, come to pages and add new page. Name it privacy policy, or however you choose to. On the top right, click on publish and then edit with Elementor. It's going to redirect us to edit page where we are going to paste our privacy policy using shortcode widget. So on the top left, search for shortcode and drag and drop it to this container. And now where it asks you enter your shortcode, just paste your copied privacy policy. And as you can see, we have our privacy policy without those stubborn codes at the start and at the end of each paragraph. Just scroll down and read it. And click on update. If you want to remove this headline privacy policy because it is maybe unnecessary for you, just come back to your WordPress dashboard, click on pages, all pages. Here is where your privacy policy is saved. Under your privacy policy, just click on quick edit. Under template, select page no title. It's going to automatically remove the title from the privacy policy page. And click on update. And then click on view. And as you can see, we have removed the unnecessary privacy policy headline. And you have your privacy policy ready to go, completely for free. Now for terms and conditions, we are going to do the same. Just click on it. Also add your company name, your website name, and your website URL. Example terms and conditions. Example terms and conditions. Blah 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 blah.com. Use your own domain name if you have it. Click on submit and terms and conditions is generated for us. We are also going to remove at the end and at the start these stubborn codes. Just copy it to your clipboard and success, you have copied it. OK, come back to your website WordPress dashboard, pages, add new page. Name it Terms and Conditions. On the top right, click on Publish. On the top, Edit with Elementor. Wait for it to load so we can paste our terms and conditions using shortcode widget. Search for widget shortcode. Drag and drop it to this container. And here where it asks you, enter your shortcode, just right click and paste. And as you can see, shortcode widget has automatically removed those stubborn codes at the end and at the start of each paragraph. Just scroll down and read your terms and conditions. Click on update to save your new terms and conditions page. Now if you want to remove this headline terms and conditions, same as removing headline from privacy policy, come back to your WordPress dashboard. On the left, come to pages, all pages. Your new terms and conditions page is saved under all pages. Just find it. However you named your headline, here it is. Click on quick edit and under template, select page no title. Update to save your changes. Now we are going to view our terms and conditions page. Just click on view. And as you can see, headline is removed. Your terms and conditions page is ready to go. And that was the quick tutorial on how to create your privacy policy and terms and conditions page completely for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to keep supporting my channel.